Hello, and welcome to the first in the series of IT security webinars brought to you by the KC Security Practice. My name is Tracey Hannan, and over the next few weeks I'll be taking you through and explaining the various different elements of IT security. This week we're focusing on firewalls, but first I'd like to introduce you to the new KC Security Practice and what we offer. The KC Security Practice offers solutions for your business, whether you're a startup business with one member of staff through to large public sector organisations with hundreds of staff. These solutions come with supporting services, underpinned by technical expertise, customer care, and sales and pre-sales specialists. We offer a complete set of security solutions, ranging from access controls for securing beyond the office, content control for both web and email services, intrusion detection and prevention to monitor and stop malicious activities on your network, unified threat management for control in one simple device, and other security solutions ranging from telephone security through to the endpoint device protection, and many more. So what is a firewall? A firewall is a hardware or software system that prevents unauthorized access to or from your network, and they are frequently used to prevent unauthorized internet users from accessing private networks connected to the internet. It's really more like a door guard that monitors everything that comes in and out. There are many mind-boggling ways to explain firewalls, but here's the KC Security Team's version. 1. Check. What information according to your business rules do you want to pass in and out of your network and let your firewall do its job? Think of your receptionist who stops people entering your building and checking their reasons to be there. 2. Halt. Who goes there? Keep a close vigil for certain types of traffic in and out of your network, which might indicate an attempt to break in or interfere with your network. Think of this as the security guard at the gate who is checking for the types of people and cars allowed into your business premises. 3. Balance the load. Where possible, never create a single point of failure by having all of your traffic going through the same point. Think of this as a turnstile at your favourite sporting venue, where everyone needs to pass through the same gate at kick-off, but that gate is broken. 4. Keep a close eye on what's going on. By monitoring and logging, you can see what's happening in your network in case there is an issue. It's a bit like having a CCTV camera to protect your building, but never reviewing it in the event of a break-in. Why do we need them? Even when employing firewalls, you are still susceptible to threats. Here are just 4 reasons why you should ensure that you have a firewall in place and that it is up to date and working. 1. Loss and manipulation of data. If you have a business, you deal with tons of data every day. This is extremely critical, and the loss of your customer list could cost you a lot of money, not to mention problems legally with data protection and many other legislations. 2. Business secrets and data. You've spent a lot of time building your business. How do you stop people from stealing your sensitive information, whether it's a hacker or an employee looking to leave your business, stealing your customer list, your business plans, or even your accounts? 3. Downtime. You're all aware that time is money, and any lost time in productivity is lost money and revenue for your business. 4. Damage to your reputation. If you lose your customers' information, what would you tell your customers or bosses? You are responsible for the protection of this, and failure to do so can even result in fines from the Information Commissioner's Office, where you can now be fined up to $25 for each record lost. If you lose just 300 customer details, that's about £5,000, not to mention your reputation that you trade with. What do they really do? 1. Block incoming traffic depending on source. The firewall either restricts or allows the incoming traffic based on rules available for the firewall as specified by you. 2. Block based on website content. The firewall can block unwanted content. For example, viewing and surfing pornographic content is in most companies strictly forbidden, so it can all be blocked effectively. 3. Allocates internal resources. Although a firewall is intended to stop external traffic, it can also be set up to allocate and spread resources. For example, to restrict access to the internet for junior executives, but allow full access for the directors. 4. Block selected outgoing traffic. A firewall not only dissects and prevents trouble of incoming traffic, but also does vigilance for outgoing traffic. 5. Makes reports. A firewall also provides reports to show you who is doing what on your network and when. So what type of firewall do you need? You know what firewalls are and should now know what they do. You have strong reasons as to why you would need them guarding your business 24/7. However, the trouble now is that there are all kinds of firewalls. How do you know which one to pick? The key point here is to avoid free firewalls if you are anything other than a home trader, as they are not designed for business use. Equally, if you're a mid-sized business, don't get hung up on manufacturers' marketing spill on EAL approved or application layer messages. Find the right firewall for your business without paying a premium for any unnecessary requirements. Finally, think about your IT security as a whole. Do you just want a firewall, or do you also need other security elements such as antivirus, anti-spam, content filtering and so forth, which can all be made available on a unified threat management device, which we will talk through in the coming weeks. The UTM device includes all of the necessary security requirements in one box with one price and one support call. How can KC help you? The KC Security Practice can help you determine which levels of security suit your business needs and budget. They can help you design your network with security policies, software maintenance, technical support, and many other elements. They can help you to understand new emerging threats and how best to protect your business. And they can act as an advisor and allow you to bounce your ideas with a team of IT security professionals. Our team is happy to help you and is willing to answer any questions you may have, no matter how basic or technical they may be. Thank you very much for watching our presentation, and we hope you'll tune in next week for our explanation on virtual private networks and how they can help your staff work away from the office securely.